Okay, Java love class 1. Let's download JDK first. So JDK download, enter. So from Oracle we have JDK, it's provided there. So select this Oracle. Actually we have two options. OpenJDK is the other option. You can select this one also. But for now let's select which is provided by the Oracle. So Oracle JDK. So download. In this website, when we go down, we can select Windows operating system. Because my current operating system is Windows, so I'm going to select Windows here. Then from this I can select 64-bit installer because I have internet as well as this is 64-bit computer. So I click on this one, this link. So currently it's downloading. Next I'm going to download an IDE, so I'm going to open a new tab. Let's write NetBeans. Of course we have multiple IDEs like Eclipse or IntelliJ or any other, but NetBeans is good. It's good for beginners, so let's choose that one. NetBeans is from Apache, so let's click on this one. Then let's click on download. You get installer here. So since I have internet, I'm going to select this one. If you don't have internet for the future installation, so you can download this one. But if you have internet at the time of installation, you can select the installer. So the installer is this one for 64-bit Windows. So I click on that. Then we suggest the following location for your download. Okay, so this one will be selected. Click on this one. So this is the way how we are going to download our JDK as well as IDE NetBeans. So to install the JDK, because it has completed downloading, so let's click on this. Let's wait. So it will appear yes or no question here. So select yes. Now it's going to download and install. So next, then it's going to install it. Okay, the installation is completed, so we can close in this open CMD here. In this CMD we can write Java minus version. It's installed, so we have Java version 23. But if this one replies error, you can fix this problem by going to the folder. Then in the folder you just click on this PC and go to disk C, and in the disk C we have program files, and in the program files we have Java. In the Java we have JDK, then bin. So you can copy this address, copy this one, and right click on this PC, properties. From properties you can select advanced system setting, then environment variables, then you can edit paths here, then add this the location of the Java bin. So you can add here, you can click on new and paste the one you copied before. So you can paste it here. Add also here, you can add also here, so edit it. If there is no Java path, you can add it here, but there's already one, so you can leave this one. Let's closing dot text editor. Let me show you with the text notepad. In this notepad we can start writing our first program. So let's write class name, for example test. You can take any whatever you want. Okay, you can write like this, or you can put this delimiter here, or you can put in the new line based on your choice. You can do it. Then public static void main. Inside main we have parameter is string args square brace bracket and open here System.out or System.out print hello class. Then when you finish semicolon. So this one is one mechanism to print out a string on the system screen. So by using this System.out object, calling this method print method, you can print out text enter tab. So this main method is closed here, enter. So the class is closed here, delimiter is closed. So this is our class. We can save this file, save as, then on desktop, new folder. So let's write my project here, my project. So enter. After entering that folder, we can write our project, our file name, or program name. So for my program, let me give a name like first program or something. Okay, let's write my program.java. So I can save this one. So we can compile the source code from my projects folder. So this is the folder. So it has Java. As you can see here, this one contains the source code of Java. So this one contains this class test and this one. So from here we can open CMD. So to open CMD from here, you can click on this bar and write CMD, then press enter. So you will get this one. Then this screen you can compile your code. So there is my program in the Java extension. So let's write this one, Java C my program dot Java. So this Java C will compile our program. Okay, this Java C will compile our program. As you can see here, there is test.class file. This is created here. So this file is created because of our class. So our class name is test. Since that is test class, it will create test.class file. We have only one class in our file, so one file will be created at compile time. So this one is compiled to this. So this one contains, the first one contains Java source code, and the second one, the new file test.class file, contains bytecode, which is understandable by the JVM. To run the program, we can write Java then test. So it prints out hello class. So this is the first program to print this string on the screen. We can modify and see the changes in this print statement. So let's see the changes here. Control C. I copy this one and paste the second line. Now this 2 will print out without any new line, so that means the first string will be concatenated to the second string. They will be on the same line. Let's see the change. Let's compile our program and run the program. So it's concatenated, as you can see here. It's concatenated. So let's make a slight change. Let's make the first statement to be with new line, so print a line. So it has a print a line here, so it will have a new line before printing the second statement, before executing the second statement. So this one will be printed out. After this, the cursor will move to the new line to print the next string. Control S. Then let's see the change here. Let's compile. Then let's run the program. So as you can see here, it's with new line. So after printing the first string, it goes to the cursor goes to the new line and prints the second string. So this is the option, the second option to print with the System.out. Okay, to print with the System.out. And the third option is by using a formatted text if. So printf. So printf. In this case, we will have placeholder here. So the placeholders can be included here in the first part. So the first part will be format and the second part will be the argument. So in the first part, we would have the argument is the string. So in the first part, we will have %s to indicate that it is a string, and %n is to make a new line after printing the string. So let's test this one. Compile, Java compiler is called. Then let's run the program. So the same output will appear here. And next, we can check by using this formatted text by changing this printf to format. It is the same as printf, so it will have the same output like printf. So let's save this one and compile and run. So it will have the same output. So as you can see here, it has the same output as printf. So next we are going to see how this format works with padding. Okay, let's make slight changes here. Let's put number 98.232584. This is a floating point number. Then so to floating point number, we have to write here f. Then let's remove this new line. Then let's write here, for example, if it is average, so average will be displayed. Then after displaying average, this is a placeholder for this one. This one will be substituted here. So we can see that after saving this one. So let's save this one and run it. CLS clears the screen and enter to compile the program, to run the program. So as you can see here, average is displayed. Average is here displayed, and after displaying this average, it goes just to this one. This one is placed to here. So this % is placeholder for this number. So in the place of that, 98.232584 will be displayed. So this is how this format or printf methods work. Next we can see also like this. We can see this also with padding. So let's put padding here. So padding means, for example, if you put padding 8 and if you put the decimal place 2, so padding will be 8, which is a positive number. If it is positive, it is right alignment, so this number will be aligned to the right. It will be aligned to the right, and these 2 indicates that it takes only 2 places after the decimal point, so 2 decimal places. So this will be 98.23, so it will be truncating this one, it will remove this one, not round off. And the other special thing is the padding will be including the number itself. So the number is with 5 characters because it has a decimal place here, so it's 5 characters when you count up 1 2 3 4 5 characters, so we will have only 3 free spaces, so this padding will be including this number. So let's see the output of this one. It will be in the right alignment, because this number is positive. So let's see, after saving this one, let's run the program. So as you can see here, our number is right aligned, it's to the right side, and after this one gives 8 space, 8 padding, the number appears to the right direction. Then the places after this average is printed here, this average is printed, then it has 1 space here, 1 2 3 spaces are there, then 4 5 6 7 8. So because of this 8, this padding will be created as 8, and the numbers will be inserted from the right side. That means it is the right alignment. The number is positive, means the padding is positive, means it will be in the right alignment. Okay, let's make a slight change and see. Okay, let's make this negative. So we can see this one will be this one will be left aligned, and after printing this one, it will have 3 spaces after it. To see that, we can add some more printout statement. So let's make System.out dot print. Then let's write something here. Let's write down here. Okay, after writing this one, let's see the change. This one, so average is printed because here we have average, and we have here left alignment, so our argument will be aligned to the left direction of the part. So we have 8 spaces, 8 part, so left side will be for the number, it will appear in the left side because it is left aligned, because this one is negative 8. So we have 8 part, and the number itself takes 5 characters. These 5 will appear here, 1 2 3 4 5. So from 8 we remained with 3, so 3 spaces will be after it. So it's aligned to the left direction of our 8 parts. Okay, so 1 2 3, then this done will be printed. Next, let me show you the purpose of this one. This is this shows this is a parameter. So our main method has parameter like string args. This can be used at the runtime, so you can use this one while running. So you can set your arguments while running your program. So let's make args here, string args, this one. So we can use them. You can use this one. Let's remove the first statement, and for example, let's write hello here. Hello, then a space. So to concatenate these two strings, we can use plus symbol, plus sign. So for string, plus sign just concatenates two strings together, then it will combine them. So hello and this string will be combined in the output. So let's save this one. Let's run this application. Let's compile it and run this application. So to run this Java test, then we will give it the argument while running this program. So let's write our argument. That means it is argument 0. Okay, argument 0, it's considered as argument 0, the first string. So for example, if I write here someone's name, for example Yup, so it will say hello Yup. So this is it for today. Thank you so much.